Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username on GoCardless. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on GoCardless and already logged in as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the GoCardless on the screen. So now you can see there is a settings option at the top right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on the settings, and now you can see there is a user settings option just down below of your email address. So let's tap on the user settings, and you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see it is asking us for our first name and our last name. So you simply need to enter your username over here and finally tap on the save changes, and yeah, you'll be able to change your username in GoCardless app successfully. So basically this is how you can change your GoCardless username, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.